Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm okay.
What'd you get, boss?
Got a piece of bread, dude.
Everybody, friends, family, maybe my grandma's even watching. That'd be pretty cool. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks, but it's about time to get back on the grind. So today I got Austin, you know, my new full-time filmer with me. Isn't that right, Austin? And we're going to, yeah, there you are. And then we're going to Aonia Pass, get a little riding in. It rained a little bit yesterday, so hopefully track's not gonna be too bad. We're also gonna be meeting up with a couple friends, and one of them, not gonna say any names, but it might be pretty obvious to some of you guys, just bought an electric bike. So that's gonna be really cool to check out. So looking forward to it and hoping to have a good day.
Why is it so cold in here, dude? You can see your breath when you blow.
Yo, that's crazy.
It's cold in here.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm okay. What can I get for you? Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Well, if you just want to drive up there.
Okay.
How's your morning?
How's yours?
You didn't answer.
It's cold.
It is cold. I would agree. This still doesn't answer my question.
Good?
Okay, good. Mine's good too.
Great, you can be looking at the menu.
Yes, riding dirt bikes.
Oh, fun. Is that why you have a van?
That is why I have a van.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm a vlog. Hey, you want to say hey to the vlog?
What'd you get, boss?
Got a piece of bread, dude.
Nah, show us.
You see it?
No chicken?
No, dude, they just gave me a piece of bread.
Yeah, we're gonna need some assistance here.
How was it?
Went great.
Yo, is he gonna land at the runway?
Dude, he's a little low.
Yeah, he's low as hell.
Where is he landing? You can land those things in a field.
Look back behind you, see if it landed. Here.
Got the donuts, baby. Did you pay for them yet?
Yeah, I gave him the money.
Oh, we're good?
No.
Well,
actually, no, it's a fundraiser. It's a fundraiser. I'll just give him the money. Hey, you can keep it.
I can keep it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the name.
Yes, sir.
What a nice guy.
My homie was bleeding out, another homie went in his pockets. Please do not run up on me, not even his fans. Niggas get fanned, down on the damn Ryan. I'm flying, I'm scary as
Pull up beside of him.
Chasing long girls, life gets shorter. We know sex, drugs, money.
What's up?
Yo, how about that 125?
We got it.
Yeah, no, I saw it on the Snapchat.
Pretty dope. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Sign in for me.
Alright, oh, you getting on the vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah. The design, you were pumped to ride, right?
Yeah.
You were like, oh man. You know,
First lap, rolled everything. I was like, I got this shit. And then second lap, rollers. But no.
absolutely weeded it, and yeah, so now we're back. How long has it been since you rode a dirt bike?
20 weeks.
20 weeks, and why is that?
Fire school.
And why else is that?
Because my engine was blown up.
Yep, blew up the engine.
So fresh top end and bottom end. So
all right, let's go get it. Let's rip.
the last time I was here, second lap, I ate shit. Ashton, you want to get in the vlog?
Bike's still really dirty from mini O's. We bought a brand new pressure washer, but it didn't want to work. So
Keep going. I ain't even seen it yet. There you go.
we gotta dump the Pro 6 out.
We might. Yeah. Okay, that's good right there.
Well, there is a better way to do it, but this is easy way to do it. No, I gotta film.
Why are you?
Just get whiskey with
come off
it.
the stand, dude. All right, just make sure it doesn't fall back that way.
Yeah, no, keep going with it.
Yeah, we're good. Keep going. Oh shoot!
See, there we go.
There we go. Let's go. Hold it right there.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Hey, go to the.
Sorry, I would totally help, but I have to film.
There you go, right there. Yeah, I know you got to film.
Guys, last time I was out here, it was the Loretta Lynn regional qualifier because they didn't have areas this year, and I was sitting 6th overall, which I was really pissed off about. I mean, my moto scores were only like 6th and 7th and stuff, and I just wasn't happy with it at all. I mean, I had just gotten a bike the day before I came out here, so I just showed up and was trying to race the stock bike, but track was really rough and gnarly, and I felt like I couldn't ride the bike very fast just because the suspension was bone stock and not set up for me. And I don't know, last moto I was like, you know what, I want to go out with a bang. Like, I want to go out strong. I don't want to just squeak into Loretta's. Like, I want to kill it at this regional. Yeah, the last moto I came out 2nd off the gate and had about a 3-second lead over the guy in 3rd. Was going through these rollers. The leader, he did like this line, it was like double, triple or something, so I went for it. I went double and then I went to triple it, and then my suspension bottomed out so hard I flew over, went over the bars. I had the GoPro on, but it was on the wrong mode, so unfortunately I can't show you guys that. But yeah, absolutely ate it, but my heart was still in it, and so I was like, you know what, man, I nailed my head, but you know, I'm gonna charge and I'm gonna see if I can still make this happen and qualify. So came from dead last all the way up to 9th place. Only problem was I hit my head so hard that I actually was laying down on the ground for 2 laps instead of 1. So basically I only unlapped myself once, and I would have had to go around again and try to pass people, but I was still pretty happy to go all the way from dead last to 9th after my head was absolutely killing me. But yeah, I came up just short. I think went like 6, 7, 29 or something for a 7th or 8th overall, but it is what it is. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna have a lot better day out here today. What's up, Chase? You riding today? What's up, bro?
What up, man?
What up, dude? You ready to ride or what?
Yes, sir. You
I
already
bet. So you brought my bike today?
What you talking about?
Yeah, my bike.
That bitch sitting right over there.
No. I'm talking about the new one you bought for me.
You mean this thing?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's mine, right?
Hell no. I can get you one though.
Oh yeah?
Fine, what?
Yeah, let's check this thing out.
Have you seen it yet?
No, I haven't seen it at all.
I've seen it online.
Yeah, online. You showed me pictures of it and stuff.
I'm actually riding this instead of the KTM today.
You gonna take this thing out there?
Maybe.
Dude. Alright, so first glance, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, looks amazing.
So what exactly is this?
This is a electric dirt bike, basically.
Electric dirt
A little
bike.
mix between mountain bike and dirt bikes. So
Kind of more like a BMX size, a little bit bigger.
yeah.
Oh, it's got a horn on it?
Hold up.
That's cool. You wanna take it for a spin and show us what's up? Oh, okay, you got the wheelie.
Hey, bro, wanna take leads, man?
Yo, so how fast is this thing?
This was like this one is like 35 maybe, 30, 35. So they've got another one that goes about 50.
50?
50 miles an hour. When I had it, I made it go 55.
Is that right?
Yeah.
What'd you do to it?
Nothing, just add a full pin.
Yeah.
Ray, you have made no progress.
I know, I gotta film. What?
Go get dressed.
Okay.
It takes you like an hour and a half to get dressed. What's going on? We out here at Aonia. B-Rad, how's the track?
Rough, not riding for 20 weeks.
Yeah, that must be rough. Great over there talking like the usual self, but we just over here vlogging it up. Peace.
So what do you guys think about this guy right here riding an electric dirt bike?
What's wrong with that?
Pretty weird, right?
Yeah.
So weird.
I like your opinion.
He said weird, right?
I said no.
Wow, if it's weird, I'm all about it because I love this thing personally. I'm not even gonna lie. This is one of the sickest things I've ever ridden in my life.
Yeah, I noticed. Look, you want to see me run it real quick?
Yeah, I want to see you run it right quick. Oh, sending it. Oh, I want a KLX 110 so bad. Exactly what I need. Oh, that thing is sick too. Drop a comment down below. Which one do you think would be better to get? The KLX 110 or the electric dirt bike? Let's get it! Yeah, Austin! Oh, okay. Let's see it. Double it. Double it. Okay, he's got potential. He's got potential. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, man. That pit bike, or not pit bike, the electric bicycle, unreal. One of the most fun things I've ever ridden in my entire life. It's so sick. Like, I don't even know how to put it into words. It's like, it's lighter than a pit bike, but then it's really, really quick. You don't have to shift it. I mean, man, it just brings back good memories, like, you know, from when I was younger, riding bikes, hitting ramps and stuff. It's so sick. We're out here riding this little pump track, bicycle track out here at Aonia, and having so much fun on it for sure. It's been a great day. Track was absolutely unreal. Hopefully the GoPro shots didn't turn out too bad. I hit a jump and it ended up facing down, so I apologize for that in advance, but really fun day to ride dirt bikes. Anyways, yeah, really fun day. That's pretty much gonna wrap up. Pretty much gonna wrap freaking guys, man. It's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. I swear this happens every time I'm trying to end the video. Everybody always starts revving bikes, man. But yeah, it's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. So as usual, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching. Psych! Just kidding. We were leaving and we heard some bikes and then we realized they were doing the flat track. So we're actually out here and we're gonna check out this flat track. It looks super sick. Oh, this guy's flying. I think either 4, I think this guy, or 13, 13 might be. Oh, he's flying. He's sitting in the most, that's for sure. Bro, what would you do if we were standing right here and this dude came in Mach 10 and like slid out?
I don't know.
Wouldn't that be crazy?
It would be insane, but I don't know what I would do, honestly.
Dude, this is pretty cool though, huh? He keeps kicking it out and getting it pretty sideways. You want to do it?
Yeah.
The pit bike out there, the Bellini, they got pit bikes out there.
That's another lesson